from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
An update on HVAC issues at Henrico County Public Schools and a traffic alert for those of you in the Glen Allen area. We'll tell you about those stories and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Friday, April 10th, 2026. We're headed for a high of 80 today under mostly sunny skies. The News Minute is brought to you today by Diamond Pressure Washing.
And now for the news.
Well, after reports of a number of schools in the county that have experienced heating and air conditioning units on an ongoing basis, Henrico schools officials say they fully repaired those systems at 5 schools but are still working to fix issues at 13 remaining schools. On March 20th, the school system released a list of 13 schools that were experiencing HVAC issues. 8 of those remain, and an additional 5 schools have now joined that list. A number of parents and community members said that the original list of 13 did not include schools that were experiencing issues, but Henrico school spokeswoman Eileen Cox told the Citizen that most of those schools may have experienced issues at other points in the school year but currently have functional HVAC. Our government and education reporter Leanna Hardy has an update. You can read it right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. Old Washington Highway between Mill and Mountain Roads in Glen Allen closed yesterday for the installation of sewer and water mains, a process that is expected to take until the end of this year, according to Henrico Public Works officials. The detour is now in place, routing travelers to Mountain, Mill, Woodman, and Greenwood roads. A new monthly program in Henrico is bringing together kids and senior citizens, bridging the age gap with fun activities. The Toddler Time program first began as an occasional music class partnership with the Melody Magic Music Studio and has since grown into a monthly tradition since launching last July. Organizers say it gives toddlers new grand friends and gives residents an opportunity to engage with the energy and joy of early childhood. You can read more from our partners at WTVR right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. Henrico County will host its annual Earth Day celebration tomorrow at Deep Run Park from noon to 3 p.m. You can learn about sustainability initiatives and resources available in the county. There also will be activities including electric bike demonstrations, kids bike rides, kayaking, crafts, a fashion show by Moody Middle School, and much more. In addition to food trucks, vendors, and live music, admission is free. Also this weekend on Sunday, Henrico Recreation and Parks will host Kite Day from noon to 3 at Dory Park in Varina. Free kite kits will be provided to the first 300 people. You can also bring your own kite. The Richmond Air Force Kite Club also will present professional kite demonstrations and sell kites. Police officials will have the drone truck and other equipment there. Keep Henrico Beautiful will offer a wind-related craft. And again, there will be vendors and food trucks. Admission to that event also is free. You can learn much more about other events happening in the county right now on our website, henricocitizen.com. Check out our weekend top 5 or just visit our calendar. Get out there and hope you make it a great weekend. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Diamond Pressure Washing. Diamond Pressure Washing helps Richmond area homes and businesses look their best with reliable, no-hassle exterior cleaning. From driveways, patios, and siding to crystal clear windows, every job is handled with care and attention to detail. For more information or a free quote, you can visit Diamond Pressure Washing online at www.diamondpressurewashingrva.com or contact them at 804-426-5663 or by email at diamondpressureservicesrva@gmail.com.